Hey lovies, it's your girl Nisha coming to y'all with a new video, and today it's going to be a little different. It is a self-care video. I am labeling this video Self-Care Sunday. So let's just jump right into this video. I won't make it long-winded, but here's what I do on my downtime. First of all, my Sundays always start with me working out. Love it, can't go a day without it. Then I go on to washing my hair. I try to wash my hair every single Sunday. It don't always work out that way, but for the most part, I try to wash my hair every Sunday. If not Sunday, then it's most likely going to be on that Tuesday. This is a old twist out that I did, and girl, do you see that? That is so nasty. So I cannot go another day without washing my hair. Here you see me doing my first, what I call my pre-shampoo. This is just my clarifying shampoo that I use to basically lift the grit up off your girl's scalp. Okay, like this is my cheap shampoo. As you saw, it's the Suave Daily Clarifying Shampoo. I believe that's what it is, and it is good for what I needed to do. I use a lot of gel, so I have to use a sulfate shampoo, and I also have went back to using grease. Yes, your girl has gone back to using grease. So I need that shampoo to lift all the grit, the grime, the lint, and everything that happens in my everyday life up out of my head. Okay, and that is one of the shampoos that get it done. In this next clip, what you're gonna see is me using my second shampoo, and I love this shampoo to pieces. As you can see, it is awesome at detangling, and it just smells so good, and it's by Jane Carter. I think I've showed it in a previous video, but if not, I will link it down below so y'all can get yourself some. Okay, so after I have washed my hair and twisted my hair up, I will then work on my planner and my weekly weight loss goals. This right here is my weekly weight loss goal planner that I made because I was talking to my cousin about one that I seen on Amazon that I really wanted, but I am a stickler for words being misspelled in anything, so I just could not bring myself to buy it, even though it was one word, but it was misspelled throughout the whole freaking book, and the book was like 20 bucks, and I cannot. So I kind of like took what was in that book and incorporated some other things that I know I wanted to keep up with, and I put it in a journal. And basically that is what this is. It's my stats. These are my stats as of today. And it's just my weight, my fat percentage, and my BMI. My weekly goal is to lose 5 pounds. I will weigh in again and see where I'm at, and then answer the question, did I meet my goal or not? And my workouts I will put here. Today I just did cardio, burn 514 calories, and I will just do it like that during the week. And then there's a question that I normally ask myself, and this week I'm going to answer, what can I work on this week to help improve my workouts? Okay, and then I'll just start all over again for the next week or so. Haven't put a question there just yet, but then just keep going. It's super simple. It's super easy to do. And I like doing this on Sundays because it set the tone for the week. Like, it really does. And then this was this week for my planner. Things that I got done, some things that I did not get done. Okay, and then I have whatever book that I'm currently reading. I would try to catch up on it on Sunday as well. I haven't read this book in a minute. Let's see where I'm at. I'm on chapter 11, so I will get into that today. And it really is a good book. If you've never read it, pick it up. And it's awesome for me because I battle with a lot of things in the mind, and it's a good book to read. So that's what I'm doing as of right now, and working on stuff for next week. And I love this little planner. My cousin bought me this planner like a year ago, And I recently pulled it out and started to use it and utilize everything that I need. And now I'm like a stickler for planning every freaking thing. So I like it. It's cool. And once I get done with this, most of the time I eat, catch up on TV, and then do my nightly facial or what have you. And I will show you guys that. All right, love bugs. Now, after I have done all that I needed to do today, it's time to wash the day away. As you saw, I am using my Neutrogena Ultra Gentle Foaming Cleanser. And honey, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Um, my skin has been on the fritz for like the last year. So finding something that does not break my skin out is just amazing. And I found it in the aisles of good old Wally World. Yes, in Walmart, girl. That's where I found it from. I think it was like $5. I think it was like $5 and some change. But I love that. I use that every single day and it don't dry my skin out. Here you see me using my little brush that I bought from the Walmart as well. And it is just to lift the extra dirt up out of my pores and get my skin where I need it to be. Excuse my looks in this video, child. Your facial expressions is just something. Now I am rinsing the cleanser off my face and we are gonna pat dry. Right here is my favorite toner, like my all-time favorite toner, but I cannot use this toner because of the product that I am about to review for you guys right here. Okay, it's just like an initial review. It ain't like a review. It ain't thorough at all. This product was made by StriVectin, but it was sent to me via Influenster, and it was free. But every opinion you're going to hear out of my mouth is my own. Okay, I am going to use this product. I am going to see what this product does for my skin. And I will let you guys know in an updated video how the StriVectin Retinol Night Oil worked for me or didn't work for me. Now, it is orange in color, but once you apply it to your skin and rub it in, it's colorless and it smells amazing. The claims of this is retinol is obviously a skincare superstar, but we paired it with a dream blend of ingredients to create this nourishing, ultralight, dry finish oil that correct the look of fine lines, wrinkles, texture, and uneven skin tone. So we're going to see. The directions is to apply 1 to 3 drops to a clean face nightly before or mix with a moisturizer. And it says oil transform from orange to colorless upon application to skin. And that is exactly what it did. Here you see me putting it. I didn't mix it with my moisturizer, but I did apply my moisturizer after I did the night oil. So I will let you guys know how this works out or don't work out in the near future. So be on the lookout for that updated video. And this, you guys, will conclude the video. This is my self-care Sunday. This is what I do every Sunday. I just, pamper myself basically. I take care of me. But be on the lookout for an updated video about this retinol night oil. Thank you guys for watching and y'all take care. Bye, lovies.